Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab. I am a Pakistani national living in Dubai. I came to visit my mother and I fell down here. My two bones get broken and I got a surgery. I was on bed for 2 months and after that I was unable to walk properly. So one of my relatives told me to visit one of the physiotherapist center here. That physiotherapist is conducted by Dr. Mohsin. So I came here to visit that. They assess me properly and they identify my weaknesses. After that, they told me several exercises and. With the help of those exercises, slowly and gradually, I am extremely grateful to Dr. Mohsin and his team. They work great with me and give me full time and full attention. I improved in a lesser period of time. And so I am extremely thankful to all of them. They are working for those people who cannot pay to them as well as for all type of people. So they are doing great towards the humanity. Yeah, my message to all of the people who are suffering is that first, if you are suffering, don't get depressed and don't lose hope. Secondly, if you are living in Pakistan or all over the world, you have to visit this place so that you see their work and their efforts. They work effortlessly and you will get better with the grace of the God and with their efforts. And my message to all of the people who are blessed by the grace of the God and who have resources, that they have to spend their time as well as spend their resources for those people who are people of determination and they are unable to do something for themselves. If they have not much that resources that they can work on, or in the countries like Pakistan, who is an developed country, people don't have resources to work for their children, to work for the adults, so that they get a better life. So if you have a resources, kindly help those kind of people. You are the light for those type of people in the times of dark. Every time should pass, but if little help from one side is given, it will be remembered by that child as well as remembered by everyone, and God will bless them. And last but not the least, I want to tell you something, that if you are far away from and you cannot physically help them, but you can help them by subscribing by liking and subscribing their channel. In this way, your effort will be put with them, so that they can do their work. They can do their work towards the humanity smoothly and successfully. Thank you so much.